Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Solana wallet to Tapswap. So first make sure you have Phantom wallet installed and you can download it from the App Store, Play Store or directly from the phantom.app website. And now open Telegram and search for Tapswap bot. And once inside, tap the task button at the bottom of the screen and under task, find and tap connect Solana wallet. Then tap on Start Mission and hit the Go button next to the Solana wallet option. This will open a web view. Tap Connect and it should launch the Phantom wallet. Tap Connect again inside Phantom and wait for it. Then now, if it redirects to your download page, switch off desktop site in your browser settings. And now return to your browser and tap Sign Message. Phantom will ask you to approve. Just tap Approve. And that's it. Once signed, go back to Tapswap to and then tap check to verify your wallet. Then finish the mission and claim your rewards. And keep in mind, Tapswap rewards currently don't hold any real world value and can be traded for tokens or currency. That's all there is to it. If you want more methods, just go to this link here and you can find two methods to add Solana wallet to your Tapswap. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.